Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show the on-screen keyboard while a physical keyboard is being used. So you will learn how to turn on or off this feature, and let's get into it. So all you have to do is just go to your settings, find general management, tap on that. From here you want to search for physical keyboard in the list. You will see if you have one connected or not. As you can see, currently I don't have one connected, but you will find the features here regardless. So tap on that, and from here at the top you will find show on-screen keyboard. It says show the on-screen keyboard while a physical keyboard is being used. So if you want to have that show up on your screen, you can keep it on, otherwise you can toggle it off, and while it's connected you will not see that keyboard, but you'll be able to use that physical keyboard regardless. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.